Hi, I'm Chaitanya. I lead product here at upliance.ai. You might be wondering why I'm dressed in all formals and trying to cook. One of our owners mentioned that appliance is so easy that you can cook with a business suit, and my teammates volunteered me into wearing a suit and cooking a dish. So here I am, I guess. Today we are going to cook a recipe which is created by one of our owners. This is Anandi's Sindhi Kadhi. What is a kadhi? Kadhi is a dish which is made in many parts of North and Central India, and there are different varieties. There is a Gujarati kadhi, there is a Punjabi kadhi, there is a Sindhi kadhi. Today we are going to cook the Sindhi version. The Sindhi version has no curd or buttermilk, but it has tamarind paste. As a South Indian, I have never really cooked this dish before. This is, though there are some besan curd based dishes which we do, this is the first time I'm ever cooking this dish. And with appliance, I don't really have to think about doing all of this, right? So I just follow the instructions and I can cook this dish. This was actually created by one of our users. She tried it using manual mode, tested every step, and then we added this recipe into our list of recipes. You can also do that, or you can also use Chef GPT to just create any recipe you want. So you can just put a name of your recipe and it just creates a recipe based on all other recipes we have created on the appliance. So now it looks like it's cooked, so let's taste it.